Okay, so it's really important that you make sure the power is off. So I was able to find a breaker with the help of my sister. So I'm touching the wires, and the voltmeter was reading less than a volt. So I know for sure that there's no power. Okay, so we want to make sure that our ground cable is good, and this is too short, so we need to replace this ground cable. Actually, that should be okay there. All we need to do is attach another cable. So it will be longer. I'm going to put this back on, because that's a ground from wherever this gets supplied. So this will tie to this with a wire nut, and then this will attach to the new outlet. Okay, so we have a little bit of corrosion on this cable, so we can cut it off or use a sandpaper to clean off the corrosion, or if you have like a nail file, see how that works. Pretty good. And the other one broke off, so we'll have to use our wire cutters, wire strippers. So this is probably like a 12 gauge. Here's a solid 12. So we'll use this little slot right here. Boom. So we'll use the same technique to clean it up. Maybe trim it off a little bit. Same here. And we're ready for that. So we still have to attach the ground conductor. I found this spare cable, or the spare wire. We don't have green wire or bare wire. I should strip it out, but for this we're just gonna wire it up to here, to the ground connection right here, and the other side will wire nut. Do this first. It's kind of hard to do. So that we'll go in here like that. Kind of shape it how it's going to be inside. Oop, that wasn't very good. Work better. So we have white and black, and back here it actually says hot wire, which is the black, and white is neutral. So this is the white side. Hopefully whoever wired the house did the correct. So you can unscrew this and you put it on the line side, the top side. So here we go. It just slides right into the little hole, and you just tighten it up. That's white. It says white blanco, and here's the hot wire, which is black. Same thing, other side. Nice and tight. So all we got to do is hook this guy up, twist them together. You can use some pliers on my stripper. Wire nut on there. Nice and tight. Okay, shove that in there. And line this up. The old holes. Get this one started because the wires are a little hard. That one started. This other guy looks like he's playing right along. This is when I usually test it, make sure. So we'll power it up, plug something in, and see if it works. So we got the screws out of the package. You can just put those babies right here. This is going to be an issue. I don't think it's going to go all the way through. So we found out that these screws will not pass in here because the stucco goes all the way out. So what we're going to do, we're just going to pull out just a little bit on these guys. And we can actually use these as our supports as well. So I'll pull this out a little farther. And we'll put this Decora plate . Bottom. Take a little more out of here. So this has to go behind this. About it. Make sure the foam is nicely sealed up against the wall. So it's got a little bit of an edge here, so I'm going to try to correct it. Loosening it up. That's about it. We can paint it with some white paint. That's it. Now you can enjoy your backyard without having to run extension cords from the inside to the outside, so my sister won't be bugging me all the time. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll look forward to making a few more to help everyone out during this awful time.